going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we're back on the D16a1 stuff. So start off with, I was finally able to get a belt. Sorry for this bad lighting from outside. It's actually a K300, which is about, the factory calls for a 280, so I don't know. Supposedly all the brackets and stuff were right. I know it's kind of hard to see, but so I finally got a belt. And then we'll come over here. I got upper and lower radiator hose done. Those are both just factory D16a1 hoses, just shortened quite a bit because the front end on the Integras are they're probably 5 or so inches longer. I'm just running a half size EK radiator. Took out the blow off valve because I'm not going to run one. I don't have to. I like the turbo surge noise. And then I don't know if I mentioned the previous video, but to make one of these ODB1, you got to get rid of the cam sensor and then run a TD43U distributor, which I have here. So I got that earlier this week, and come to find out it's a new distributor from China, and the ignition control module was bad. So I tried starting it a few times, flooded it. So now I got a new one that it works. The car does run. I did start it yesterday, not very long, so I will have a video of it running here shortly, probably here in a few minutes or so. But so just be cautious when you buy online these Chinese distributors. I was just lucky to have another ignition control module laying around, so that kind of saved my butt there from having to order one. I did get the intercooler brackets. You can kind of see right here and right there. I just made some brackets, made them look nice. I still need to do one for up there, but the radiator or intercooler is pretty solid. And like I said, I did get it grounded today for a couple minutes, but that was with no coolant or anything in it. So I'm gonna run it here in a little bit once my child wakes up, and kind of get things set up, get the throttle kind of adjusted, let it blurp the system, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get it started. So as you can see, the car's running. It needs a tune. I gotta get the exhaust figured out. Well, make it, order some O2 bungs, some V-band clamps. So I'm gonna finish out the exhaust. I haven't decided how I'm gonna do it, but I'm thinking probably out the passenger side and then kind of 45 it up, but we'll see how that turns out. And then I don't know how many, if you guys are dealing with fires anywhere around here, but you can kind of see with the right light this big old smoke cloud just rolled in. So that's where I'm gonna call it quits for today, doing stuff, because I don't really want to be working out here in this kind of stuff. So I'd like to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.